Back with this 2008 GMC Acadia after we fixed the no start issue. I am going to put a link for it right here. They want us to check the airbag light. So we have a B0081-0F passenger presence module erratic. Coming here to the computer. These are the same code, but the subcode, or whatever you want to call it, is different. So we're dealing with the ZF passenger presence system erratic. Same thing. Let us pause on this information and read it. This is the circuit description. Passenger presence system PPS and inflatable restraint sensing and diagnostic module SDM. Perform test to diagnose circuit malfunction within itself. When the SDM has completed the power up mode, the SDM will establish communication with the PPS SDM. So the airbag module will communicate with the passenger presence module. Sensor also requests the instrument panel cluster to command both of the passenger airbag on off indicator on for 5 seconds. If the SDM detects that the PPS has a set candidate, will then disable the instrument panel mode deployment loop. This set B0081 and command the airbag indicator on. Conditions for running the DTC. Ignition voltage between 9 and 16. All of the following conditions must exist for 5 seconds. The SDM has received a fault presence from the PPS. PPS is in a 7-plant mode and the SDM is in production mode. Okay. That's GRF, that's our code right here. So let's find some wiring diagram for the PPS and see what kind of checks we can do. I think this is our sensor, and looks like it has 3 wires. Ground, power coming from this fuse, this 10 amp fuse, airbag sys fuse underneath the glove box right here, and the inflatable restraint, and the communication look like a communication line between that sensor and the inflatable restraint, a vehicle rollover sensor. So, and that one is communicating with the SDM, which is the airbag module. I don't think we're gonna be able to get to that sensor because it's like under this padding, but I think the 3 wires are going to be here. I see a black and white. I see a red and white, black and white, and dark green. Red and white, black and white, and dark green, and I see all of them right here. So let's, for the communication, we're gonna need a scope, I think. But let's get the voltmeter first. So on the red and white we have battery voltage. That means that fuse is good. Let's check the ground, black and white. And we do have a ground on the other one. So the only thing we're gonna have to check is the dark green. I'm gonna show you guys both ways when you do it with the a voltmeter. What do we get? We get 2.2. I'm pretty sure this is an average voltage right here on a dark green. And right now we're going to run the scope. Right here, min max live 2.1, the same thing that we saw over there. Minimum is 0.2, maximum is 5, so it's 0 to 5. Right here, 0 to 5. That's why on the voltmeter it was showing us the same reading that it says here, live 2.2, 2.1. But it looks good. The signal looks good. I don't see anything wrong with it. So as of now, we have everything needed for that sensor to work, but it's not working. So either there's a cut in the wire between this harness and the sensor, or the sensor itself is bad from use, of course. Although the seat looks fairly clean, it doesn't look like it was used a lot. Well, it's a cloth seat. You cannot tell when it's cloth seat. You can tell more when it's leather. But anyways, I'm gonna tell the shop to get another seat, passenger side seat, with all its stuff, and it has to be power, of course. Is it with the airbag? Yes, with the airbag. Boom, right there. Make sure you get that with the airbag and power, and I will update this case if we catch it. If not, thank you guys for watching.